Okay, so I am sitting in our bathroom and we're looking out the window at one of our Spicebush, so Lindera benzoin, and you can see the cardinals. And it's just been really cool because we've been watching what birds have been eating. And of course, this fall when the catbirds were going through, they were loving the spicebush berries, just gulping them down. And the cardinals eat them really differently. They don't gulp them down like the catbirds did. Instead, they chew off the coating and then crunch on the seeds. So a lot like when they eat the black oil seeds at our feeders. So they're really getting the last of these spicebush. And you know how it always is on plants that are males and females. It seems like you end up with more males than females. So we only have maybe 2 of our spicebush here that put on fruit. So we have a bunch more to plant out that we're going to plant probably in the spring, because this is obviously a hot food item. And I know the video quality isn't great, but y'all can tell. There's cardinals in there. They are eating spicebush berries. And those are the anti-bird stripes you're seeing. And then right out there is the chicken coop and bird feeders. So if you're in range for spicebush, it's a really great shrub for so many. The spicebush swallowtail caterpillars, cardinals, catbirds. What more can you want?